Howdy, this is Michael Good from reapertrades.com with your daily trade recap on the 27th of July 2010. Just two stocks I traded today. Oil was a nice one. It was a Beacon Equity pump. All of their newsletters that I follow played this. So it is a nice sort of technical setup. Or it was a day or two ago, a bounce off these huge red candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 straight red candle days from 23.5 cents down to a low of 15 cents. So yeah, it's set for a bounce after that. But up here at 22 cents, you're approaching the resistance, and at its high, 23.7 cents, you're right at the resistance. So it's sort of a no-brainer to short it for me when it's up that much. I shorted 20,000 shares, took a quick profit on 10,000 at 19 cents. Let's see. Come on, chart up here. There you go. So, shorted here, top ticked it. Yay. And I bottom ticked it too. So, I'll take that. Reshorted here, was short 20,000 shares, went up, and I didn't see any real reason to cover because, yeah, I was sitting on an unrealized loss, but it was right at resistance. I didn't think it was going to go up anymore, and it was just a pure pump. So then it dropped, covered 10,000 here, reshorted 5,400 right into the close here. So, short 15,000 shares. You look at the chart, long term, last couple times it's gotten volume, big volume in one day. The next day it has dropped, and here it gapped down and dropped. So very good odds that it drops tomorrow, and especially considering it was not very good technical play here either. So one thing to keep in mind is technicals, they do matter to some extent on pumps. I mean, I'm not going to be shorting a stock if it's way down below where it's been recently. But, I mean, the same reason that resistance and support may work on normal stocks means that they should work probably even better on pump stocks, as long as the pump doesn't continue or whatever. The strength of the pump is the most important factor. Anyway, other thing, Scylla, let's look at the multi-day first. So up a whole bunch. I'd started shorting right around 70 cents and have added on the way up. My average was 96 cents, shorted 3,000 more this morning, I think. Yeah. And it dropped to 90 cents. I tried to cover a few thousand right around there. I didn't get filled. And then later in the day I got a potential buy-in notice right around 3 p.m. from Interactive Brokers. They said, and this is how all their buy-in notices go, we may or may not buy you in. If you want to buy yourself in, if you want to cover these shares yourself, we won't buy that in again, and you'll get to control where you buy in. So when I get that, I usually buy myself in. I cover myself just because I don't want them to cover with a market order on close. But yeah, it's unfortunate because I had $1,500 loss, and I'm doing, just for accounting purposes, FIFO, first in, first out, for this trade. I don't always do that. I change it around to whatever suits me. So I took a $1,500 loss on all my low average shares. For the average of 96 cents, the loss is only 500. So I can still come out with this with a profit, assuming that I don't get bought in tomorrow and it doesn't go up tomorrow. But odds are still decent, but not good odds of a good, really good profit. But I'll take that. You don't win everyone.